Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kalpana and you're watching my YouTube channel Pharmacy Lessons Made Easy. We shall talk about the different types of scientific papers in this video. Let's begin. The very first type is short communications or rapid communication. For your reference, I have attached a screenshot. You might have seen this, okay? So, many times this is directly written as short communication, okay? And these are generally the need of the hour in that particular subject. If some very recent report is there and it needs rapid publication, then in that case the short report is actually published as short communication. For its guidelines, the definite journal, that particular journal has to be referred to. Okay, suppose you want to publish your work in Journal of Dairy Science, then in that case just go to the instructions for the author section. Inside that you will find what is the formatting, how it is to be done, the guidelines. Every guideline you have to read thoroughly at least 2 to 3 times before submission to any of the journal. Okay, so this is the very first type, which is short communication or rapid communication. Here you can see the name of the journal, the year of publication, the date of publication, and its DOI. Okay, this is ahead of print. That means it is not yet published in print version. Okay, this is available in the database of Elsevier's on the Scopus website. Okay, so here is the copyright information published by the publisher. The publisher for this particular one is Elsevier's, and the keywords are written like amino acid utilization, peptide transport, post transcriptional modification, and in brief about the whole research work, the abstract. Okay, so very first type is short communication, and this is also called rapid communication. The second type is research notes, or it is also called theoretical study. Okay, so I have quoted one example like minocycline encapsulated chitosan nanoparticles for central antinociceptive activity. This paper got published in International Journal of Biological Macromolecules in the year 2015 January session. Okay, so this is the DOI of this particular paper, and to test this, to check this one, the keywords that you can use is hot plate test, minocycline, tail immersion test, like that. Okay, so this is the DOI of this particular paper. So these are research notes, because a particular research study has been conducted and what are the influence, what observation was there, and the interpretation out of it. So that is actually written in the abstract in the precise form. In short, it involves the research work, okay, and then it is reported. So such type of papers are research notes or theoretical study. The third type is review paper, where we actually carry out the literature review of all the works that have been done in the past. Okay, we cite those publications as in our citations in the references section. Okay, so in this one, suppose look at this particular example, that is, the title of this work is Dendrimers for Therapeutic Delivery, composition, characterization, and current status. So related to this particular topic, whatever is related to composition, the characterization, and current status of dendrimers, which are actually used for therapeutic delivery. So all that work is actually summarized. It has been reviewed in the literature, in the existing literature, and then has been put forward, submitted to the journal, and finally it got published in the year 2019 in the journal Critical Reviews on Therapeutic Drug Carrier Systems. Okay, so this is the DOI of the system of this particular review paper. And in the summary form, this is the abstract, this is the unique identification number, DOI, of that particular paper. Okay, so this is also one of its kind. First one was very short communication that needs rapid publication. Second one was the research work. Okay, third is review paper, the already existing work once reviewed and your views on that is summarized, that is a review paper. Next one is editorial or letter to the editor. Okay, in this particular types of papers, the editorial is actually invited from the editors. Okay, so it is actually written about what actually is the whole issue about, like this issue brings volume 141 of Brain to a close. During 2018, Brain featured 12 editorials, 12 reviews, 3 updates, 46 scientific commentaries, and 1 clinical trial, 11 reports, 203 articles, 4 book reviews, 7 grey matters, 1 from the archives, 2 evoke responses, 67 letters to the editor, 15 corrigenda, and 1 erratum. So, this is all about this particular journal, Brain, a journal of neurology. And once this form is actually called letter to editor or editorial type papers. Okay, so this is the fourth type. First we have seen about very short communication or rapid communication, followed by the research notes, then review paper, and editorial or letter to the editor. Fifth type is case studies. Okay, so I have put forward one of the case study, like in cystinuria. So this is a kind of case which is actually studied and then reported. Okay, so this is actual, you can say, hospital work. Okay, uh, sometimes the research labs are also situated in an hospital or the medical center, so a particular case is actually studied in the research paper, so such papers are called case studies. Okay, so one such example I have quoted here, this got published in Neurology Nurse. So this was published in the year 2017 in the 37th volume, second issue, on the page number 90 to 93. These are the authors of this paper and this is the abstract. Okay, so this is how it appears as case studies. Next type of research paper is quite similar to case studies, nothing but they are called case reports. They are quite similar to each other. There is no such discrimination between the case study and case report. Okay, and it is sometimes written directly as case report and operative technique, like in this particular paper which got published in World Neurosurgery in the year 2020. Okay, the title is Simultaneous Sarcoileic Joint Fusion in Patient with Long Lumbosacral Construct, Case Report and Operative Techniques, right? So subsequent to this case report, what are the operative techniques, that is also described. And based on the formatting of that particular journal, like here World Neurosurgery is there, so in that particular journal the formatting of abstract should be in the form, first you describe the background, then case description, and then conclusion. So that is how the abstract is actually represented, okay, in the database. Next, another example, if we talk about the pharmacy case report, so it got published, as an example I'm showing you such papers. It got published in Pharmacotherapy in the year 2020. May 7 is the date of publication, and this is the unique ID of this particular paper. The title of the paper is Pharmacokinetics of Sulfamethoxazole and Trimethoprim during Venovenous Extracorporeal Membrane Oxygenation, a case report. Okay, so this is also one of the example of the case report. It got published in Ville as a full text article. Okay, so this is the abstract of this work. Okay, and you can see the pharmacokinetics of sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim appear not to be affected by ECMO therapy, that is extracorporeal membrane oxygenation therapy, and dosing adjustment may not be required. So this is the final conclusion of the case they have reported. Okay, so this is how the case report is actually reported. Okay, next one is another type, that is called opinion papers. Okay, opinion papers are one more type of research papers where the opinion about any other already existing research is actually given. For example, in this particular opinion paper, which is about measuring livestock robustness and resilience, are we on the right track, is actually a comment on the already existing review, that is deciphering animal robustness, a synthesis to facilitate its use in livestock breeding and management, which got published in the journal Animal in the year 2017. So what is the opinion of these authors about this paper? Again, this got published in another paper in the journal Animal in the year 2020. So this is a kind of opinion paper. Okay, I hope you understood the concept of the different types of research papers. Just a brief overview. First is very rapid, short communications, followed by the research notes, the review papers, editorials, the case studies, case reports, and opinion papers. I hope you got some new information about the scientific journals and their types, the types of paper, what they actually publishes. Do click on the like button if you like this video. Write your views about the video in the comment section. Subscribe my channel and share it on social media. Thank you. Have a nice time.